Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to properly set default apps in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to set up your default apps, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply go to search, go to settings, and in settings, go to apps. Now, once you are in apps, go to default apps. Here, default apps. Click on it, and from here, you have to select the app which you want to set as your own or your default. So let's say I'm going to select Microsoft Edge. Select this, and here you can directly click on this set default option, so it will set this app as your default. As you can see, I have selected Google Chrome for many of my tasks here, but you can directly select set default to set your Microsoft Edge as default. Or if you might see this Google Chrome still, so you just have to click on it and then select Microsoft Edge, then select set default. So it will set default as Microsoft Edge or the app you want to use. So now just select the second one. Let's say I'm gonna select uh, Google Chrome here. Just select this. You can directly select this as default, or you can select any task from here for HTML, for HTML, for .mhtml. So I'm gonna select Google Chrome. Select set default. It has been selected as default. So just directly click on set default, and the app will be selected as set default. Now you can select it by many of other categories. This will Google Chrome for your defaults whether you want to use this. Once you have done, just close your settings and you have done. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.